To properly transport your RZR Pro R, follow these steps. Ensure your trailer and tie-down straps are properly rated for your vehicle weight. Always follow all warnings and precautions listed by the manufacturers. Begin by performing a quick inspection on your trailer to ensure it is clean and free of any major debris. Before loading, always practice safe riding by wearing the required safety gear listed in your owner's manual. Next, safely drive your vehicle onto the trailer. Do not transport the vehicle in a reverse direction on the trailer. Place the vehicle in park and verify the park position is displayed in the gauge. Then, slowly release the brake pedal and ensure the vehicle does not roll. Next, turn the engine off and remove the key to prevent loss during transport. Exit the vehicle and latch the seat harnesses while ensuring the seats are secured. Then, close the doors and verify the latches are secure. Also, ensure the fuel cap is tight. Verify that all accessories, if equipped, are properly secured. Before securing the vehicle to the trailer, inspect the tie-down straps for cuts, wear, fraying, dirt, debris, or stiffness. Beginning at the front, attach the tie-down straps to the designated tie-down point on the upper chassis frame above and behind the shocks. Then, attach the straps to the trailer and adjust as necessary. Do not attach the straps to the front control arm bolt pockets. Move to the rear of the vehicle and attach the tie-down straps to the designated tie-down points on the upper chassis frame above the exhaust in the rear wheel wells. Then, attach the straps to the trailer and adjust as necessary. Ensure the exhaust has fully cooled before attaching the tie-down straps to avoid the risk of burns. Next, evenly tighten the tie-down straps until the suspension is compressed. Also, secure any extra length of the straps for transporting. Lastly, perform a final inspection to ensure all tie-downs are tight and secure. Finish by preparing your trailer for safe travel. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.